What is the right way to optimize my campaigns step by step? The right way to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign step by step is 1, zoom out for clarity. Are you optimizing to increase your top line revenue? Are you optimizing to decrease your ads based on that? 2, if you want to get more sales, you are going to increase bids, increase placement, create new campaigns, try new ad strategies. If you're going to optimize towards getting cheaper sales and while maintaining the same amount of sales, or maybe getting less sales but profitable sales, then you're going to do optimization towards profitability actions. You're going to lower the bid, you're going to pause, you're going to negate, you're going to create your negative search term list to make sure that whenever you're creating new campaigns, whatever did not work, you're going to make use of it because you already paid for data. If the campaign really is not within the strategy that you have right now for the account, you would just simply pause it. We tried optimizing things just because we wanted to make sure that whenever we took over brands, we tried optimizing towards profitability and just to not give a heart attack to brands like, I spent yesterday $1,000 on ads and today I spent $0. What is going on, Noemi? So in that cases, what we did, we strategically paused, optimized more campaigns until we created new campaigns that generated more sales, the profitability goals that we wanted, and then switched